publishing company and actively invested in the internet industry. Welcome, Mary.
Hi, really nice to meet you guys here. So it's really an honor to be here. So should I stay on the stage or I can stay here? Okay, cool. Okay, so actually we've been in Korea for a long time for Mixed Marvel, and we are very happy to be invited to the event today. As last year when we were giving a speech in Harvard, and we heard about this project, like the Media Lab is developing something on the social network, especially in the crypto world. So it's very happy to see FABRK is launching Korea today. So actually, game and social network is quite closely related with each other. So first of all, I'd like to ask people here. So are you gaming developers? No, not really. Okay. Cool. So maybe one or two. So are you game players? Yes. You love games. Okay, but you are just afraid to raise your hand, right? Okay, no problem. So what if you heard that if we play game we can earn money now? Are you going to raise your hand then? Maybe. Okay. Cool. So. I'd like to give just a short information about Mixed Marvel. So we are a blockchain gaming publishing platform, but the whole team, we've been in gaming industry for like over 15 years. We've been participated in the Assassin's Creed. Have you ever heard about that? Oh, yeah, you are game players, I see. And the Prince of Persia. Yeah, you heard about that. So you must have been spent a lot of money, right? Especially in Ubisoft. Okay, so actually we have very solid experience in the game industry. So we've devoted into the blockchain game since 2017. So it's been quite a long time. And we start with our first game, which is Happy Dragons. It surpassed CryptoKitties on August 2018. So you must have heard about CryptoKitties, right? No, not really, but Happy Dragons, right? Okay, so we ranked number 1 on Ether, and after that we ranked number 1 on Ontology and Tron. So upon the Happy Dragons, actually we find the methodology on blockchain games, and also we discovered that there are several weaknesses on the blockchain industry. So after we earned some money from Happy Dragons, like we have 1.5 million registered users globally, which may be the biggest game on blockchain industry. And also, actually this game is still existing. So if you log in on token, it's a wallet. Anybody using on token as a wallet? Yeah. Okay. If you log in on token, you can play Happy Dragons directly. So upon Happy Dragons, actually, this is what we did for the whole industry, because we find that the main public chains they cannot support even a very small large of the game, not mention the 3A large scale games. So we developed our layer 2 solution. And we develop our SDK for the publishing side, and also we solve the problem of the low speed and the high cost of the public chains. And actually, we are going to release our Rocket protocol on the 2nd of August. Actually, we discovered that the game can be highly abstracted. Actually, game is quite different from other industries in terms of blockchain, because this field is highly digitalized, and the game can be abstracted into 4 basic modules, which are roles, items, rules, and scenarios. So we successfully generated a state machine, and we built up the whole validator system to make the layer 2 solution to be transparent and to be decentralized also. So actually, this changed the developing environment for the gaming developers dramatically. And also, we develop our SDK, the whole tools kit, and we have the player service SDK, digital asset SDK, and the player community SDK. This whole set of tools can save the traditional developers 80% to 90% of the developing time. So actually, I know that in Korea there are so many high quality content, high quality games, and also you have a lot of great game developers. So it's a big welcome for all of the developers to join on the community. And I am sure that you will find the developing experience to be totally different from what you will face in the traditional game industry. Because you do not have to learn all the smart contracts from the old beginning, which will be suffering. Okay. So this is our cloud architecture, and this is for the traditional gaming development. Okay, so next, actually, if you just got the Wi-Fi here in the hotel, you can just type in the address www.hypersnacks.io to experience our Hypersnacks right away. And this game is on trend already. So Hypersnacks actually is a very important step for Mixed Marvel to achieve the mass adoption. Because in this game, actually, you can see here, we have two modes. If you are just a normal user, you do not have to install the wallet or infrastructures of the digital assets or anything. You can experience the game first, and you can own the digital assets right away. And if you want to withdraw or trade or transfer all the digital assets, that is the time you need to install the wallet. Okay, and the Ground Hunter is a coming up game. It's a 3D game. It's just like the Players Unknown's Battlefield. So in this place, all the components and all the guns are digital assets. And the gaming experience is as the traditional games. It's very smooth, and you do not feel any blockchain thing. Okay, so actually these are the main 3 steps for our Mixed Marvel. All these are the most important trials of the platform. From the Hyper Dragons, this is the traditional blockchain game. You can trade, you can raise, you can explore. And we develop our architecture, our technical support platform from this side. And to the Hypersnacks, we achieve the mass adoption through this step. And we involve the traditional games and traditional game developers from our Ground Hunter. This is how we work all the way here. And the Marvel Land, it is coming up on August. And within this world, the digital assets will be reused. And all the how you can realize the reuse of the digital assets, we will release all the mechanism on 2nd August, which is the big party in Shanghai during the China Joy. So, but by the way, we're based in Singapore, Shanghai, and now Korea. We are bring our Korean fellow. Please say hi, and please hi. Say hi. Yeah, this is our first mail in Korea. We really value this market, and we would like to cooperate with more partners here. Okay, so this is a roadmap, and the time is quite limited, but still I want to share a video with you guys, which is upcoming all the games. I think this is more sensitive and more visible for all the players. And Chris, please. I think I have a video. Is it here? Is it a video here? Okay. So I will send the video and at the end of the activity. So at last, I believe that both the game players, you can hear all your assets and you can enjoy the game on the blockchain. And for the developers, with the help of development and with the publishing, Mixed Marvel can definitely offer you a better experience in this industry. Many thanks for your listening. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mary. Okay, we have one more presentation to go, but I just want to remind everybody that after this last presentation, we're going to have some trivia for some airdrops, and we're also going to have a special announcement around FABRK.